Good morning, students. How are you all? How are my students doing today? Are you all feeling good? Tummies are full with breakfast. Minds are fresh, ready for a new day. Yes, and which day is today? Today is the second day of your week 23. We are on 23rd week now, and almost we are finishing this term too. Because after 23rd week, we will have 24th week, and in that week, as I have already explained you, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to do the revision. So I hope you all are studying, you all are revising whatever we have done up till now, aren't you? Yes, you are revising whatever we have done, whatever we have covered in term 2. Are you all revising? That's very good, because soon after this week is finished, on 24th week, we'll revise, we will reinforce everything that you have done up till now. And if you have any problem, if you have any issue in understanding any topic, in understanding anything related to English or any other subject, you are free to ask your teacher, and your teacher is going to explain you, so that everything is clear. Everything is clear in your minds before the final exams, right? You know your final exams are very near, and after final exam, what is going to happen? Yes, you are going to go in your new class. You all are going to go in your new classes, right? So I hope you all are doing all this. Now, ready for today's work. Now, what I want to do, let's play a small game. I hope you all like games. Yes, that's great. Now, we are going to play a game, and what that game is about actually. Now, what you have to do, I'm going to say a word, and you are going to tell me another word that ends with that starts with the ending letter of my word. Like suppose whatever word I have said, you have to spell that word, and which is the last letter. From that letter, you have to start another word. You understand? Okay. Now my word is table. 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 E. You have to be quick. You have to start a word with E. Egg, very good. E-double-G, egg. G, goat, very good. G-O-A-T, goat. Now, T, toy, T-O-Y, toy. Y, yo-yo, very good. Y-O-U, yo, Y-O-U, yo-yo. Okay. O, you have written, it is O. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. E, eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Again, E, elephant. Very good job. That means you know how to make another word from any letter, right? Now, what is our today's task? Today, again, we are going to do some related to, you can say, grammar also, related to comprehension also, because it is about hunting for more words. Now, what is the meaning of hunting, class? Hunting means to find out, right? To find out, to look for. So we are going to find out, or we are going to hunt, or we are going to search for more words within words. Now, what is that? You know, we have different words which are used in the English language. Sometimes it happens that some words, they have small words hidden in those words. You can find out small words in some big words. So those words we are going to find out. I'm going to show you some words, and you are going to tell me what are the small words that you can find in that word. Are you all ready for that? Yes? Okay. For that, you need to read that word first and be very, very careful. Look at the words very carefully to find out the another word, to hunt for more words, right? So my first word is spring. Read this with me. Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. S-P-R-I-N-G. So can you find some word? Can you hunt for another word in spring? Yes, it is ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. Now, can you make a sentence of spring, class? Yes. I like spring season. Very good. Or some other sentence. In spring season, the grass looks green. Or you can say in spring season, we have lots of flowers, right? We can see lots of flowers in spring season. Correct. Very good, class. Very good. Now my second word. What is this? Caterpillar. What is this? Caterpillar. It's caterpillar, right? Caterpillar. Can you see my word? Caterpillar. Can you find some more words which are hidden? Can you find for some more words? Yes? Yes. Cat, C-A-T, cat, and pillar. Wow, great. Cat and pillar. Now, can you make a sentence of caterpillar? I saw a caterpillar in my garden. Very good. I saw a caterpillar in my garden. Or you can say, there was a small caterpillar crawling on my grass, you can say. Or there was a small caterpillar in my garden. Or okay, or there was a caterpillar on a flower, or there was a caterpillar on a leaf, right? Okay. Now another word. What is this? It's grabbing. Grabbing. What is grabbing? To grab something, right? To hold something. Grab means you suddenly grab something. I will grab that. I will get that, right? So can you find any other word which is hidden here? Grab, okay, and I and in is also another word. Grab is one word, in is another word, right? So can you make a sentence of grab? Only grab, not grabbing, grab. Let me grab my bag from the class, right? Or can you please go and grab my cell phone from the table, right? Like that. Okay. Next word. Hatch. Now what is hatch? Hatch means when the chicks come out from the egg, that means hatching, right? So can you find a word from any other word, or you hunt for any word which is there in hatch? Of course, hat, right? Hat is one word. And is there any other word? At, correct. Hat and at, those are two words, right? Okay. Can you make a sentence of hat? I have a big red hat. Very good. I have a big red hat. All right. Now my next word. What is this? Ended. Ended. E-N-D-E-D. Ended. Can you find another word over here? End. Wow. Very good. End is only one word. E-N-D. End. Can you make a sentence of end or ended? Any word. Either it could be end, it could be ended. Come on. Make a sentence. The movie ended very soon, right? Or I like the end of this movie. Or I don't like the end of this movie, right? Okay. Now, my last word, wanted. Wanted. What is the meaning of wanted? Yes, you want something, right? So can you make a sentence? Can you find a word, hunt for some word which is there in wanted? Want, okay. Want is one word, W-A-N-T, and, A-N-T, and is another word. So can you make a sentence on wanted? I wanted a new bag, but but I, but I will use my old bag as it is fine, as it is, you can say, as it is not that bad, right? Or you can say, my sister wanted to get a new dress, right? My sister wanted to get a new dress, right? So that means you know how you are going to hunt for more words, right? You have some big words, and in those big words, there are some small words which are hidden, right? Now, these words, I'm going to write it down on my whiteboard here, and you are going to write these words along with the small words that we have already found out, okay? Now, can you all see my board, class? That's great. Okay. Okay, now the first word was spring. Okay, and what was the word? Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Okay. Now the second word, caterpillar. Caterpillar. And what are the words? Cat, correct, and pillar. Correct. Okay, next word is grabbing. Okay, now what was the word which we have found? Grab, G-R-A-B, grab. And I-N-N, correct. Next word is hatch. What was the word? Hat and at, correct. Next word is ended, E-N-D-E-D. What was the word? End, E-N-D-N, correct. Next word is wanted. Okay, what was the word? Want and and. Correct. Now, I want you to write down all these words like that. And after that, you are going to choose any three words from here and make sentences. Okay? What you are going to do? First, you are going to copy down the list which is there, and then you are going to make sentences. You can use any three words in your own sentence. And for that, I'm going to give you 10 minutes, and your time starts now. Okay. Time is up, class. Time is up. Now show me your work. Wow, that's great. So now I hope you must have understood how you're going to hunt for more words. You have to look at the words, you have to see, you have to read the words carefully, and then you will find out the word. There might be some words which doesn't have any word in there. So it could be like that also, but there might be some words which may have more than one words, like you have already seen that. So I hope you will be able to do this work and to do your work, which I will be posting on portal, your homework. And don't forget to revise whatever we have done or whatever we are doing every day to be prepared for your final exams. Okay, class? So see you in your science lesson. Bye-bye.